Hello there, this is Ivan and I'm going to show you how to fold an Origami Fox. Before we start, I recommend you to use at least 10 cm square sheet of paper and has different color on both sides. So let's start with the color side up. First, what we need to do is to fold the paper horizontally from this side to the other side. And then unfold the paper and turn the paper over. Next, what we want to do is to fold the paper from this side to the middle line. And also do the same thing on the other side. And then turn the paper over. And what we need to do is to fold the paper diagonally on one side to meet the middle line like this. And then unfold and do the same thing on the other side. And then unfold it. Now, what you want to do is to fold the paper up according to these two end points. And then unfold the paper. And next part is to fold the paper from this horizontal line to meet with the middle line. What you need to do is to fold it diagonally like this, so that this side will meet on the left side of the paper. And then please make sure only crease on the color side, and then unfold it and also do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and unfold. Now what I need you to do is to unfold the paper and then please make sure fold this part down and also pinch the diagonal line that we just formed, and also do the same thing on the left side. So pinch this part down and then form a fairy lines here. So right now what we have is now we'll have this shape. Next, what we want to do is to fold this layer so that this diagonal line will meet with the vertical line like this. And then unfold the paper, and what we need to do is to open up and then do a sink fold, open sink according to the line that we just did. So how to do a sink fold is to make sure that the outer lines is all mountain fold and to make sure all the inside line is the fairly fold. So let's start with these long lines, fold it down slowly, and then form a fairy line to the middle part. And next what we want to do is to fold mountain line on here and on this part. So you can see that right now we are forming a sharp triangle like the arrowhead here, and what we need to do is to fold down this, the inner lines. Okay, so this is the step that we need to do, and also do the same thing on the other side. So we fold down this part and then unfold it open up, and then do a sync fold. So fold the mountain like this, fold mountain this part, and then form fairy lines here, and then close the model up. So the step is complete. Next is to fold this part down and form a squash fold according to the lines that we fold before, and turn the paper over, and also do the same thing here. And next, what I want you to do is to put one finger here and then push the head of the fox inside, and then push with this, push with your two fingers here, and then press down the head. So right now we already have the head of the fox. Now look in front of it, and then fold up the nose like this, and then close down the head of the fox again. And the last step is to open up the back and then do a reverse fold here. Push the tail back, push it until it show up here, and then next you want to do is to fold, form a firm crease on the leg. And right now, spread the ears, and your fox is done. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any idea on what tutorial to do next, please comment below. And see you again in the next video.